Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today we are at the grand launch of OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro. This is the OnePlus 7, the red variant, and there is another variant which is in the grey color. So let's check out the first look of the new OnePlus 7. So friends, this is the all new OnePlus 7 in front of you. This is the red color and the phone looks super stunning. I picked up specially this color for the first look because I am a big fan of this red color, especially in 60 and now in 7. So this phone totally looks like 60 as per the design is concerned, but there are some huge changes in the specs sheet which we are going to tell you right now. So let us notice the looks first. This is how it looks like. Power in and the volume rocker, dual stereo speakers, and a C-type charging port with fast charging, a perfect size notch, bezels quite slim. Back there's a dual camera setup with the OnePlus logo. So let's quickly start with the settings. Okay, firstly we'll see the screen size. So the screen is a 6.41 inches screen. So it gives you a good experience when you're watching a lot of content, videos, as well as playing games. Awesome viewing angles, as well as the brightness is so good. The touch response is great. Now let's run through the about phone. So the CPU here is a major upgrade which will directly affect the performance of the phone. This is a Snapdragon 855 processor. The last one was 60 was 845 processor. Then it has Oxygen OS, but a lot of new customizations have been made. There will be some more India based customizations which will be available very soon. And also it has Android 9 Pie. So overall the combination of Android 9 Pie, Oxygen OS and Snapdragon 855 gives a really nice experience. Color available here is the red, and one more color is there which is the mirror grey color. Talking about the battery, it has a 3700 mAh of battery, although it should have been at least a 4000 mAh, but yes, it has a 37 mAh of battery. But not to worry, we have fast charging, 5 volt 4 ampere fast charger will be there in the box. So coming to the major highlight of the phone is a dual camera setup, but it's not a normal dual camera setup. It has a primary sensor of 48 megapixel with an aperture of f1.8. and it has EIS, OIS. This is how the camera interface looks like. The other secondary lens is a 5 megapixel sensor with a dual LED flash. You have a specific nightscape mode, portrait, and you can actually take really nice portrait pictures from this phone, which we all know because of the earlier versions of this phone. And these are the other modes: slow-mo, panorama, nightscape, video, settings, time-lapse and portrait. So talking about the video part, because that's a major concern always, we can shoot up to 4K videos, maximum up to 60 FPS, and 1080p videos also up to maximum 60 FPS. It has super slow-mo mode, time-lapse, video editor, everything in the house. And let's jump to the front camera section. So this is how the front camera looks like. As you can see, I am like totally opposite to the lighting. Then it recognizes my face. It has PDAF. So in the front there is a 16 megapixel sensor with a Sony IMX471. So the front camera aperture is f2.0. So when you switch on the front camera, these are the modes which come up. So guys, this is a very quick look of the new OnePlus 7 for you, and it has been launched in two variants, 6 plus 128GB and 8 plus 256GB. So the first variant will be available at a price range of 32,999, and the second variant will be available at 37,999, which is exactly the pricing of the OnePlus 6T. Like, still you are in a vision to buy OnePlus 6T, go for this one right now. This is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite from another tech launch. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nothing Wire.